Okay, for number 8, they want the equation of a tangent line. And before I go forward, I want to make sure that this point is on this curve. Let's go through that first. What are you going to get? 8, times x, which is 3, times y, which is 2. I'm just verifying, by the way. Plus, well, x squared would be 9. Y squared would be 4. And they said it's equal to 84. Let's see if that's true. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. 9 times 4 is 36. Well, 40 and 30, 70. 78, 84. It does work. So at least I know the points on the curve. Let me get my eraser out. I'm done verifying that. What I want to do is take its derivative now. My goal is to get an equation of a tangent line. And the equation of a tangent line is going to be y minus y1, which is 2. I don't know the m yet, times x minus 3. Our goal is to find the m now. How do I do that? I got to take the derivative of this over here. Let's go through that. And it looks like opening up at a product rule. So I'm going to differentiate x first, and I get 8y. Then I'm going to differentiate the y. That's going to be 8x. I'm going to use y prime now. All right. What's y prime? It's dy dx. Let me keep moving along. What's next up? Well, I'm going to differentiate the x first, product rule again. So it's going to be 2x y squared. You could say dx dx if you want, but it's just 1. Plus, it's going to be 2x squared y, just differentiate the y. So I'm going to put down y prime now. The derivative of the right-hand side is just simply 0. So really what I'll do, I want to find out what y prime is at the point 3, 2. So it's going to plug in. So I'm going to plug in y is 2. That's going to be 16. Plus x is 3. That's 24. Y prime. Plus, well, it's more complicated. So it's going to be, let's see, 2x. That's 6. And y squared is 4. That's going to be 24. Plus 2x squared, that's going to be 18 times 2, 36 y prime equals 0. Let's add together. 16 and 24 is going to be 40. And 24 and 36, that's going to be 60 y prime. And that equals 0. I'm going to try to solve for y prime. Y prime is going to be equal to minus 40 over 60. Just looking at it, I guess I'd divide through by 20. So you get minus 2 over 3. So I know the slope. Y prime is going to be the slope. I'm sorry, when I say slope, it's the m in the problem, minus 2/3. Let me go up here and erase my m now. And put down the minus 2/3. Now, by the way, I prefer the way the answer looks like over here. But I want to claim that, I do want to multiply it out for you. So what do you get? Y minus 2 minus 2/3 of an x. And that's going to be plus 2 now. What do? I add 2 to both sides. You get y equals minus 2/3 of an x plus 4. So I'm going to say it's probably a preferred answer for a lot of people. Let's get the red pen out, see if we got the answer. See this? Minus 2/3, x minus 3, and I see this over here. It's y equals minus 2/3 of an x plus 4. Thank you.